gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. Today's unit is from Afsisterwig and this is their packaging.
There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe.
The unit has a detachable elastic band, so guys, you have the option of removing it or leave it on, so your wig can be tighter or looser.
The life that she gives is something I need to survive, and I'd go to the sun.
Along with the detachable band, the unit has the regular elastic band at the back and a comb, two combs on either side, and a comb in the middle.
Baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy.
This is how the hairline is looking, and this is a 13x4 Pixie cut 1B 27 lace front human hair wig. I'll waste no time and go right in and put the unit on. This is another close-up of how the hairline looks when you put the wig on.
Meant to be worshipped, adored, makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love.
This unit can be styled as a middle part, a right side part, or a left side part.
Baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my.
You all know who you're gonna do it. Just put the hair to the back, remove the excess lace, and cut the lace in 3 so it is easier for me to lay.
Baby, I'll go to the sun and back for her.
I'll use the got-to-be gel and the bedded spray to lay the lace.
I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back, go for you. 1,000 walls to collapse. Baby, there, to the sun and back. In 1,000 walls to collapse. Baby, she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy.
I am going in with the scissors to cut the lace.
You have been even more than I could dream of. Every joy you've given me, I can't forget. There's no regret. We took things slow, and I learned all of your virtues, but the one that lifted me, you already know. Wait and see how my own.
I like adding the beaded spray to the lace and then go in and use the elastic band to tie it down.
I feel my dreams for us coming true. We build a space for me and you, so the things that I will vow will mean everything to me. I'm ready to be a home for you.
I am adding the Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace.
With you, I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine.
You all know a girl gotta go in and make some teenager hair.
Vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to.
I am using the water to spray the hair.
I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest of my life.
From the look of this hair, guys, I am not feeling it, so I'll go in and have the mark-ins on the curl cream.
Yes, it's been a minute, so let's get down to business.
I am adding the Kira Care Walk Stick to the hair.
'Cause now you stay home and you told me to move on. I know I won't last long, 'cause baby I need you. I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong, I was stupid, baby, I was.
I am adding the concealer to the parting space. Next, I'll use the Fit Me powder and put over the concealer.
I gotta say it, I was wrong. Yes, it's been forever. No, we ain't seen together. Oh, I wish I had catered to you.
This unit didn't give me that wow factor from the beginning. Even after I had the water to the hair, it makes the unit worse. So I actually love the turnout of the unit after I had the Marc Anthony curl cream. It did bring the unit to life. You can see the waves and a little curl. Even though this unit is a wavy unit, you can definitely see some wave and a curl, so a mixture is good for me. So I am actually in love with that. The unit is beginner friendly and is also beginner friendly. You don't have to lay the lace. It came with a detachable band, so you can use that and adjust the unit so you can get away with laying down the wig. I didn't experience no shedding or tangling from the hair. The color of the unit is a mixed blonde 1B27 and the density is 180%. And it is a transparent lace. It came with baby hair and all of those good stuff, you all. So if you like this unit, the link to Afsister hair is in the description down below. You can go and check it out. Thank you for watching, and as always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.